Studies have shown a link between climate change and incidents of conflict, such as violence, crime, and war. What's behind this worrying pattern, and what does it mean for global peace? Climate change causes conflict indirectly by worsening existing divisions and inequalities in society. For example, climate change affects the availability of natural resources such as land and water, leading to increased competition and communities being displaced. Under such conditions, there may be a higher risk of conflict breaking out. Climate impacts can make drought-resilient and water-efficient crops, including opium poppies, more attractive for farmers in countries such as Afghanistan. This increases revenues to armed opposition groups, encourages corruption, and evidently destabilizes government. Conversely, conflict in turn exacerbates climate change. In 2020, the International Committee of the Red Cross reported that countries already experiencing conflict can be particularly vulnerable to climate change and its effects. This is because nations that are dealing with war or violence may have less capacity to deal with other big issues. To illustrate this, the last countries to ratify the Paris Agreement are ones with histories of conflict. There is evidence for the link between climate change and conflict, with negative changes to climate increasing both individual conflict and conflict between groups. Given these facts, it comes as no surprise that the United Nations Security Council stated that the climate emergency is a danger to peace. It is a real possibility that further climate change may lead to greater conflict in the world.